Whole foods vs supplements. Can you replace one? Whole foods vs supplements. Can you replace one? As we strive for optimal health and wellness, it's essential to consider the role of whole foods versus supplements in our diets. Whole foods provide a broad spectrum of nutrients, but supplements can fill gaps and provide concentrated nutrients. In this article, we'll explore the differences between whole foods and supplements and determine if you can replace one with the other. The benefits of whole foods. Whole foods are the foundation of a healthy diet. They provide a broad range of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Eating a variety of whole foods can help support immune function, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. Whole foods offer several benefits over supplements, including the benefits of supplements. While whole foods are essential, supplements can fill gaps and provide concentrated nutrients. Want in? Try Gruns VIP today. The link is in the description.